Hello nerds, so in this video we are going to talk about how to create PR. So what is PR first? So PR is the short form of pull request, and it's the process or merging one branch to another branch. When to send PR? So when you are done with a new feature or changes and it is ready for merge in your main branch. And why to send PR? So that we have a track of what added when and for what task. Easy to modify it later without interfering others' code. So this is the short and simple overview for PR. Now let's try to create a new PR. So here I am on my Git repo. So I'm gonna open my terminal. So I will be switched to main branch first, and let's say I'm gonna work on feature C. So I'm gonna create a new branch first. So let's create git checkout B feature C. So now I'm in the feature C. So let's add a new line. Feature C, and now let's commit this. And git push origin feature C. Let's push this. So when you push this, you will see that create a pull request for C on GitHub by visiting this URL. So this URL is you will see only for first time when you push this. So let's try to visit that URL, and also you will have a notification over here to create the same. So let's try to use that URL which we got here. So we can create pull request using multiple methods. This is one of them. So yeah, put whatever details you want to add, and then click on create pull request. So this pull request is from feature C branch to main branch, and here we can easily check what files are changed and what change is there in this pull request. So this is how you can create pull request. Now let's say if you missed this method because you work multiple things in same feature, then what to do? So let me show you that. So in one of my previous videos I created different branches, so let me show you those. So we created feature A and feature B as well. So let's try to create a new pull request from feature A to main branch. So in order to do that, you can simply click on this new pull request and select whatever branch you want to merge into the main branch. So I'm gonna select feature A to main, and then we will be able to see the changes which feature A is going to make in main branch, and then create pull request and add details regarding this pull request. And click on create pull request. So this is how you can create pull request. In our next video we will be learning how to merge or close the pull request. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section.